Did your favorite streaming apps suddenly vanish after your Vizio TV updated? It is incredibly annoying when you sit down to watch a movie and realize Netflix or Hulu are nowhere to be found. Don't worry, I am going to show you exactly how to get your missing apps back and fix your SmartCast dashboard right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. I am your tech expert friend here to help you navigate these annoying software glitches so you can get back to your show. When Vizio pushes a system update, it can sometimes cause a sync error with the SmartCast home screen. This usually happens because the TV's internal cache is holding onto old data or your connection to the Vizio servers was interrupted during the install. Essentially, the apps are still there, but the interface has forgotten how to show them. Let's dive into the fixes. Step 1. Perform a soft power cycle. Hold the power button on your Vizio remote for 15 seconds while the TV is on. This forces the system to reboot and often triggers a refresh of the entire app library. Step 2. Check your network connection. If your TV isn't connected to the internet, the SmartCast home screen cannot load your apps. Ensure you are connected to a stable 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi signal. Step 3. Test your internet speed. Go into the network settings and run a connection test. If your download speed is too low, the Vizio servers might time out before they can populate your missing apps. Step 4. Toggle the menu language, go to System and change your language from English to Spanish and then back to English. This sounds strange, but it forces the SmartCast interface to reload its entire database from the cloud. Step 5. Change your DNS to 8.8.8.8. In the manual network settings, switch your primary DNS to Google's public server. This can bypass regional connection issues that prevent apps from showing up. Step 6. Clear the system cache. Unplug your TV from the wall for 60 seconds. While it is unplugged, hold the physical power button on the TV itself for 30 seconds. This drains all residual power and clears temporary software errors. Step 7. Check for a manual system update. Sometimes an update is followed by a smaller hotfix. Go to System and select Check for Updates to ensure your SmartCast software is on the absolute latest version. Step 8. Sign out and back into your Vizio account. Refreshing your user profile can resync your app permissions and restore any missing icons to your home screen. Step 9. Reset the SmartCast home screen. Open the SmartCast menu and wait for the loading icon. If it hangs, press the home button on your remote repeatedly to force the interface to pull a fresh update from the server. Step 10. Perform a factory reset. If nothing else works, go to System and select Reset and Admin to return the TV to out-of-the-box settings. This is a guaranteed way to fix deep software corruption. Here is a pro tip for Vizio users. If your apps are still missing, try casting a video from your phone to the TV. Using the AirPlay or Google Cast feature can often wake up the internal app and force the icon to reappear on your dashboard. If you face any difficulty getting your apps back, please leave a comment below. I check the comments constantly and I will reply to you within 1 hour. If these solutions restored your streaming library, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Your TV is updated and your apps are back. I will see you in the next one.